So remember when I said my next video was going to be a DragCon haul video and it was supposed to come out a week after the DragCon talk video? Me neither. It's 4 weeks after DragCon and I feel like that video would be irrelevant right now, so we're just going to skip it. And we're going to go into my next idea, which is a cell shading Borderlands body paint makeup tutorial. Specifically the Sirens, because they're my kind of favorite characters, so I want to do like the blue tattoo markings. They're super cool. I'm keeping my normal hair, I'm not going to wear a wig for it, and this is like the most Siren-y casual clothes I own. And yeah, let's do it. Alright you guys, so first I'm starting off with my base. I have my foundation, my brows, and just a little bit of bronzer on, and our first step is going to be the shadows and the highlights for our face. Basically we're going to contour and highlight like normal, but everything's going to be to like the 11th degree. So because everything in the cell shading style is just really contrasting. So like in my little palette, I normally do this color and this color, so I'm gonna actually do like this color and this color and do all my like basic contouring and just make it really like feathered and blended out. Alright you guys, now that we have our deep contours in, I know it looks a little funny, it'll all make sense once we have our highlights and the like line work done. So for the highlights, it's going to be the same thing as the contours. It's going to be where you normally highlight and contour, just in a lighter shade. So I normally don't wear concealer, I just do foundation because the foundation I use is really high coverage, but I do have a concealer and I think it's 2 shades lighter than my natural, than like what I use for my foundation, so we don't want to do that. And just go over all of our highlight points, and then that's gonna contrast with the shadows and make the dark shadows look like they make more sense. Hey you guys, now for probably the most important part to get the cell shading effect is we're going to outline everything. Basically you want to outline everywhere your shadows and your highlights meet, and then wherever you kind of like draw around your face, like your eyes, your nose, your lips, even your eyebrows if you want to. It's completely subjective and like up to artistic freedom on where you want to draw the lines and how much you want to draw them. And yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Alright you guys, this is it for the Borderlands cell shading part of the tutorial, and now we're gonna take it to Siren territory. Basically, the only difference between like the normal Borderlands characters and the Sirens is the Sirens have these like mystical powers that come from space, and with those powers they have blue tattoos over their body. Each Siren is different, so if you do this, you can either pick one from the video games or you can just make up your own. A lot of them are like geometric and round shapes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my body paint and I'm gonna kind of just do my own design and my own feel on probably like my neck and a little bit on my face and kind of maybe even down here in my chest for the Siren tattoo. Alright you guys, here is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like the video. I did add glitter onto the tattoos because in the video game when the Sirens use their powers, their tattoos light up, and I thought adding glitter would be a little cute way of doing that. So yeah, if you guys want to take our relationship to the next level, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll have links to all of my socials down below in the description box as well as the products used. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!